SOAP is not very popular these days, but there are huge numbers of implementations of SOAP-based web services, both freely available as well as parts of service-oriented architectures inside of organizations. Well, Groovy works very well with Java, especially when it comes to anything XML related. So what the purpose of this talk is to try to examine the basic Java tools that are associated with web services, specifically things like WS import or WS gen, which are part of the JAX-WS specification, and then see what happens when you introduce Groovy into the mix. The idea is that you'll be able to build Groovy clients extremely easily using the existing Java tools, and then on the server side, you can also use Groovy to implement your service implementation beans without a problem, and you can use Groovy to implement your endpoint interfaces, and we'll look at all those possibilities. And then, even better, the one time in SOAP-based web services when you actually deal with XML directly tends to be when you're working on handlers, some kind of interceptors for the web services. We'll show an example of using Groovy to actually manipulate and modify and work with the XML that's part of the handlers on a web service also. So the idea will be to come up with Groovy not to replace your existing system, but to add in Groovy into your Java system to help make the development and the maintenance of it a lot easier.